Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Before we jump in, take a quick second, look over this disclaimer. Anything we discuss is for information and educational purposes only. So if you're looking for stocks to trade, just take a look around your house. What is sitting right next to the Apple computer that I am filming this on is an HP OfficeJet Pro 8710. So I thought, well, let me take a look at what HP stock is doing. I mean, if I use the product, if I buy the product, I buy the ink refills. I use this printer at home. I use this printer at the office. Chances are somebody else does too. So there's got to be some value to this company, especially with this new work from home area of that we're working in. I mean, this is just a different time. Things are functioning differently, so people are working and functioning from home. I use my scanner on this machine here, on this OfficeJet. I use the fax machine on it. So I imagine that somebody else that is working from home also does the same. So when I'm stumbling to find a great stock to analyze or to put into my radar for me to continue, for me to monitor for opportunities, I often just take a look around my house. Most things that I buy, and most things that you buy, or products we buy, or services we use, are somewhat related to a publicly held company. Well, in this example, this HP printer that's staring me in the face behind the computer that I'm talking to you on right now, is the stock that I picked to look at. And this stock, HPQ, had presented two buy opportunities. And this is on the back end of the COVID-19 adjustment or sell-off. We are making brand new higher highs as we speak on both the weekly and monthly chart. And the daily had an opportunity to get you in around below 30 and then again around 32. So, this is trading at the moment at about $34. So you had two opportunities to get long. Had you missed the first one, a second one presented itself if you didn't feel comfortable entering mid-trend. So after that period of congestion or consolidation, the market had again began to trend and the new entry was triggered. And I identified both of those entries for you with those vertical dashed green lines. So it is that simple when you're stumbling to find a stock to trade, to just look around your house and see what it is that you use in the way of products. You could go into your bathroom. You'll find, who makes your soap, who makes your shampoo, who makes your toothbrush, who makes your toothpaste. Things of all that nature. Those are all publicly held companies. We can look in our kitchen and see what accessories do we have, what appliances are we using. And guess what? Chances are they are owned or managed by a publicly traded company that we could be watching for potential opportunities as investors or traders. If something is important enough, even if the odds are stacked against you, you should still do it. Guys, whatever it is in your life that you want, and it doesn't matter the difficulties and hurdles that will come between where you are today and where you want to be, if you are willing, if you are committed, if you are disciplined, you can get to be whoever it is in this earth you want to be. It just is what it is. Fear will hold you back more than failure will. And that is really where we find people struggle the most. And we want to help you overcome that fear so that you can move forward. Move forward as a person, move forward as a trader, an investor, as a business person, as an employee, as a business owner, in your relationships. It's across the board, guys. In your physical fitness, your diet, it all correlates. When I find that somebody is successful in everything they do, they continue to be successful in everything they get involved in, because they have that same discipline and consistency. If I find people that are wishy-washy in certain areas of their life, I often find that they'll be wishy-washy when they attempt to do something new or more difficult than what is a normal task for them. So guys, if you'd like to learn more about what we have to offer here at Hawkeye Traders, the training, the indicators, the live coaching, there's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, it will take you to the Project vSwarm webinar, where I will show you example after example of how our volume-based indicators are able to predict price action before it happens. So if you have questions, comments, or concerns, always feel free to reach out to us via email or give us a call, and we would love to welcome you to the Hawkeye family. With that, guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. I wish you a blessed day, and I hope most importantly you're healthy. And I look forward to talking to you soon and welcoming you to the Hawkeye family. Take care.